In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram photo access not working on Android. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now go ahead and tap on the story icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now open camera. Now, if you find a permission pop-up appearing like this, you want to tap on the while using this app option or tap on allow full access. Go ahead and select that option. Now the camera access will be given. If you're still facing this problem, then you want to close the Instagram app completely, open recent apps and swipe Instagram off of your screen. Now reopen Instagram, try uploading a story or reel again and confirm that your photos load correctly and uploads work normally. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.